on your quiz, we had you graph 3 lines by just saying, hey, plug some points in to get your line, okay? Over the next couple days, we are going to talk about different strategies to graph a line where we don't have to do quite as much work. We like less work, correct? Harry?
About what?
Yes. Okay. Standard form of a line is AX plus BY equals C. So basically, the X and the Y are on the same side of the equal sign, and there's a constant on the other side. Okay? And we are going to work with lines in this form. Okay. Now, this is what we call the x-axis. Brooks, can you name me a point that is on the x-axis? Just any coordinate.
1793.
That is not on the x-axis. Noah.
2,
Comma.
1.
Not on the x-axis. Kyron.
2, 0.
Thank you.
This guy.
You should have gave me more.
Gabe. Give me another one.
It's on the x-axis.
0,
0, 3, 0.
Okay. Allison, give me another one. Okay. What is true about every single one of the points that is on the x-axis? Kyron. So anytime we have an x-intercept, that means my line is going through at the x-axis. Every time that happens, what do we know about the y-coordinate?
It'll be 0.
Yeah, it'll be 0. Okay. Henry, give me a coordinate on the y-axis.
0, positive 7.
Brooks.
0, negative 6,000.
Okay. Drew, one more. Okay. What's true about all of the points that are on the y-axis? The x-coordinate equals 0. So if I have a line that's going through the y-axis, we call that the y-intercept. And when a line is intercepting the y-axis, the x-coordinate is always going to be 0. It will. But not at the same time unless it's the origin. Why am I making a big deal about this?
What is so fun with that?
It said why.
Oh, man. Oh.
So the joke is why.
Okay.
Was that a joke?
It actually wasn't.
Was it actually not?
No.
I really did think it was a 20-minute joke.
But it was excellent, wasn't it?
No.
Oh, that one was intentional.
That was absolutely horrible.
Okay. All right. No. All right. So we're going to kind of bounce around back and forth. when we have, so this is on that next page, correct? So when we have a line that's in standard form, what we can do is we can plug in 0 to solve for the x-intercept for y. We can plug 0 in for x to solve for the y-intercept. And then what we can do is we can graph the line. Okay, so write this down with me. Write down 4x minus 3y equals 12. Yeah. Mr. Truffles helped me. Okay. The next one. So if I want the x-intercept, what do we know about every coordinate on the x-axis?
Every coordinate on the x-axis, the
Yeah.
y is 0.
The y is 0. So if I want my x-intercept, we are going to let y equal 0. So we have 4x minus 3 times y is 0 equals 12. Hey, what happens when we plug in 0? This is now 0, right? So I have 4x equals 12. 4x equals 12, so x equals 3. So what this means is I have the coordinate 3, 0 on the graph.
Why is this subtracting 4x from 3y?
So this is the example I gave you.
Wouldn't it be addition though? 4x subtracting.
So like this is the example I'm giving you. Like this is what we're working with. This is a line I want to graph. Okay. No, this is just my one example that I'm doing right now. Okay. Now let's talk about the y-intercept. If I want the y-intercept, what do? We let the x equal 0. So 4 times 0 minus 3y equals 12. Well, what happens? 4 times 0 is 0. And now I have negative 3y equals 12. So when I plug 0 in for x, we get negative 4. Well, how does that help us, Miss Homan? We have the coordinate 3, 0. We have the coordinate 0, negative 4. And we can connect them. What? Bring your own pencil, you won't have that problem.
Sometimes I do, like I see it on the ground and then I like you need a regular size pencil. No, I don't have to. Oh.
All right.
Why do you gotta make everything?
So what I want you to do, I want you to turn the page. And we're going to look at number 5. I would like you to find me the x and y intercept for number 5.
Wait, x-intercept is where y is 0?
Mm-hmm.
Is it
Please
quiz
tell me this is all we're doing today.
is it quiz a formative or something?
Take a guess.
I'm still gonna get like a 9. I don't know.
9 isn't that.
9 is pretty bad.
Hey, guess what? We're all just working on number 5. We're finding me the x and y intercept.
I don't think you know what it is.
I don't think you are either.
I'm not, I'm working on math.
Oh, thanks. Thanks.
That's not what we're doing. We're not working on math corrections.
Well,
I'm not. I'm checking my score. If I do my math correction.
No, they didn't go in for one. Let's see it next week. I was telling them I did it. I got them all. It's half point back. Yeah, that's nothing. I know it.
I'll still only get 5.
Yes.
Why are you doing? No, you're doing
I only got f of 5 equals. I only got the f of 5 equals.
I'm not talking about quizzes right now. We're working on this. Henry, could you please get in your seat?
Yeah.
I was asking you.
That doesn't change it.
Okay, thumbs up. I have both X and Y intercepts. Thumbs down. I'm still working.
What is that?
You're still working? Okay. Thank you. Allison, what is your X intercept?
I got that same one.
0, -6. -6, 0. This is what Allison got for her X intercept. Thumbs up, thumbs down, we agree. Okay, in order to find this, Allison plugged a 0 in for Y. So this basically disappeared and we have 5x equals -30. So x equals -6. I like it. Our Y intercept. Dave, what did you get?
It's 0, 15.
Okay. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Did you get 0, 15? Okay. 5 times 0 minus 2y equals -30. The 5 times 0 is now gone. -2y equals -30. So y equals 15. Okay. So what I'd like you to do now is I want you and your elbow partner to use your X and Y intercepts found in number 6 to graph the line on this coordinate plane.
Gabe's not another one. Nah, Gabe's your number 5. That's it.
What are you supposed to do with your yeah, you used to wear no to easy. It's more like every day. No, they weren't. I'm warm. Oh.
Medium?
I'm a big dog.
60 seconds and then we're going over this.
Hold on. Water.
Eli, you have quite the collection of sticks, mallets, drumsticks. Okay.
He's a professional. Oh my gosh, no way. I think it's crazy. Maybe it was a drumstick. I played the best.
Xylophone?
No, the whole time.
I played the whole thing.
What are you talking about? What are we talking about?
I should say clarinet.
Has a double reed. I learned how to make my own reeds when I was in college.
Right. Did you ball out with snowball?
Yeah. I had a scholarship to play.
Where?
It was like,
You had a scholarship to play a band instrument?
yeah,
It's a thing. Play what?
the oboe. So at UNK, I played in the band and the orchestra. I tuned the orchestra.
She's kind of. This fish is an overall.
And we are going to move on. The X, what?
Hey, everybody chill out.
I cannot answer that. Connor, what is our X-intercept? Okay, so negative 8x plus 12 times 0 equals 24. Do you agree that our X-intercept is negative 3, 0? That is a thumbs up for you. Okay. DJ, what do you have for our Y-intercept? Okay, so if we put negative 8 times 0 plus 12y equals 24, why are people talking while I am? We get y is 2. I need you to write the coordinate 0, 2. So here is our line. Beautiful, right? Okay, now I would like you to turn back to page 76, and we are going to talk about horizontal and vertical lines.
I didn't pay attention to art class.
Horizon,
I didn't pay attention to art class. Oh, Noah. I remember that.
vertical, like when you, as athletes, you talk about somebody's vertical, it's how high they're jumping up,
I
right?
remember this.
Okay.
Yeah, mine's 46.
Why?
I get up there.
Okay. Okay, with the trampoline, I'm very glad that you can jump that high. So anytime we have a horizontal line, we are gonna have y equals a number. Okay, so for example, if I have the equation y equals -2, that means on my x and y axis, I would have a horizontal line that would go through at y equals -2. Every single coordinate on this line has a y value of -2. Every single coordinate, right? This coordinate and this coordinate and this coordinate.
I'm trying to see that a little bit. Actually, it goes to me. I have OCD.
Is that better?
I think I can do it. Why?
Now, on the flip side, if we have an equation that is just x equals a number, we are going to have a vertical line. So if I had x equals 4, then on our coordinate plane, at x equals a +4, we would have a vertical line going through it. Can you just stop? Please turn the page, and you and your elbow partner, please graph these two. Okay, so it's the next page.
I got
1 and 2.
Yeah, we do.
I already grabbed that. You did it. No.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean turn a page, I meant go to the next page. Potato, potato.
Okay, Rex.
Honestly, it's very dull, but very, very, very fun. So you're I got it right. No, you went the exact wrong way. Any plans for this weekend is on? I know. Don't hit it.
Okay, I need, why do I have 4 humans out of their chairs? And not just 4 humans, 4 friends.
I hate that kid, bro. He's my off.
I have recycled some paper. I was blowing my nose.
I was going to beat him up.
And I was actually cleaning my hands. I'm like, tired. What's gonna do?
Okay, like that is the least efficient way to get back to your seat.
You know, I can't get through that.
Okay, the graph, y equals -3, needs to be a horizontal line going through all of the y equals -3. I need you to wait until we're done going over this. Like I said, make sure this matches yours. X equals 2 is a vertical line going through all of the x equals 2. Give it to me. You have. That's not mine. Well, you're using it. Are you 80?